Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to go over something called schedule sections, and what this allows you to do is basically without even having to have a theme live and then the theme drafted, you don't have to go back and forth and publish that theme. That can get a little, annoying. And also, if you're late at night at 2 o'clock in the morning, you do not want to be up at 2 o'clock in the morning on Shopify and setting content and displaying content if you are releasing a promotion or things like that. So this works for just the announcement bar at the moment. This is a paid snippet. We did take time to write this, so please give feedback if you like it, if there's more additions that you would like for this. So how this works is when you go on your site, you're just going to have your announcement bar, welcome to your store. And when you go into the in your editor, so I updated it on here. This works for the previous Dawns and also the latest version of Dawn 8.0. However, there is a new Dawn which is 9, and we'll cover that in the next video. So what this will look like is when you go into the customizer, you're going to have for the announcement bar, this is just for the announcement bar that was already there with Dawn. You're going to have an announcement bar, and over on the right side, if you're on a widescreen monitor, it's going to be on the right side. If you have a smaller screen, then it's going to be everything on the left side. So you're going to have the enable feature option. And when you enable this, you're going to have a show date, and it's the format of the year, month, and day. And then also the time, which is a 24-hour format, hours, minutes, and seconds. So let's test this theory out. So right now it is 9:29. So we're going to do 9. And we're going to do 30 and see if we'll do that real quick just to see. Preview. We're going to preview on this theme, and you'll see that right over here there is no announcement bar at the moment. So I'm just going to keep on refreshing, and once it turns 9:30, hopefully it will show. Now you do have to refresh to see it, but that is not a problem, because when your customers are coming in, they're already going to be seeing that new announcement bar. If you have a promotion or if you have a sale going on, this is a perfect feature for this, so you don't have to be up at 2, 1, 12 o'clock. There we go. So now we hit 9:30, and if I was to go onto it again, you'll see now, welcome to my store. You can change out the text however you like. The same section is the same exact section. All we're doing is just setting a time and scheduling for it. So that is with this theme. So without further ado, let's go into it. So in the most updated Dawn, I do not have this. As you can see, when you go and click customize on the announcement bar, we do not have it for our own. We just have it for Dawn, specifically announcement bar that comes with the Dawn theme. So welcome to our store. This is the section we are going to be changing out. When you click on here, you don't see the option right here, and then you can change out the text, the block. That's fine, just as normal. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the edit code part of it. And you're always going to get the files right over here. So we'll exit out of these. So you're going to get the files here, schedule sections, a explainer as to what it is, the benefit of it. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this whole section right here and add it to the very first part of the code. So let's go into the code and look into announcement bar settings. So we'll close all of this out just so you guys can kind of see what to expect. So I'm just going to start typing announcement bar. We do have, like I said, the EG snippet, which has the countdown, things like that, but this is just for the announcement bar that was there for Dawn already. So I'm just going to enter and paste all that in. Did not paste everything. And then I'm going to save this. And then the next thing I'm going to do, so you're only going to have this file. You're not going to have anything else, because this will show what you need to do. The next step is going to be add all of this at the very top of the ending schema. So I'm just going to quickly add this into the schema right over here. So in the same announcement section right over here, the ending schema, I'm just going to paste it. And then right after that, the next step, I am going to go in and add the settings for this right underneath the class announcement bar. So what that means is right under here, class announcement bar, I'm just going to add this as a setting block, and I'm just going to save it. So now I have all this, and I'm going to go into my customizer for the live theme. And it might take Shopify a little bit, it might not, but now you'll see on my live theme the enable feature. And we do have a newsletter pop-up if you are interested. So we can enable this and disable. When you disable this, it's just going to show. When you enable this feature, it's going to disappear, and then you can show that you can set the time when you want it to appear. So again, 2023, because we are in 2023, and it is going to be 03/31. The month and the date, and then I just want it to be, let's say I want it to be 9/34. So I'm going to do 09/34/00, and make sure you add the 00 to this, and then I'm going to go in and just say we have free shipping across the whole store, and then also have products and link it to my products. And I'm just going to save this real quick so I can give you a test run. It's 9:33. I'm setting it as 9:34, display that section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to view this. Oh, and it that was quick. It already displayed as right over here. You can go and click into it because it already changed to 9:34 so fast. So what I'll do is 9:36. So when I save this into here, I'll know that at 9:36 it's going to be appeared, and so whenever a customer lands on it, they're going to see this promotion. They can click into it and then just click the products and add to cart. So right now it is not running. So right now there is no link. There is no call to action, anything like that. So that is basically, as we're waiting, that is basically the run through. What time do we have it for? 36. That's basically the run through of how to add schedule sections to your announcement bar. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. It does help with providing value to you guys. Let us know if you want more features like this. This will be in our own custom theme, Ecomify, if you haven't checked that out. So to do that, you're just going to check out Ecomify Theme. We do not have this, but we will have this in future updates as well. The announcement bar, we have great features. You know, it is mobile friendly, very fast. So definitely check that out. So now we have about 1 more minute. And so let's say I want to go, and I'm a new user, just so you guys can see. Go into here, and the demo is 1. Now I have about 30 seconds left or 20 seconds left, and I am not seeing this announcement bar. I see the newsletter pop up, which is great. The countdown, we can set that, and it's still not there. So it does do great in real time. You know, it's accurate, and it's on a 24-hour base. We do have the sales pop, which does look really great on the theme as well. And now it is 9:36 exactly on the dot, and my new announcement bar has shown. So if you like this, again, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much.